Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have drywall repair. Here you go. Same thing, it's a brown box. There's some patches, 4 here. The wall patching paste. More wall patching paste. It's kind of scuffed up. Not sure if they can use or not. Some funnels. There's a scraper. Some gloves. Some sandpaper. And that's it. If you're interested in this item, yeah, and that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.